I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. This is my stamp, Whimsical Pattern Poinsettia Style 2, and it's a single poinsettia. These are a few of the cards, which I turned them into postcards, that I've completed using this stamp. This one was on a braille. These were all on gel prints. You're going to see me add some colored pencil. Stay tuned and enjoy. Let's do some poinsettia cards. This is the first one. First thing I'm going to do is ink up the edges. Okay, this is my background. I don't think that these should have to be used just during the holidays. You know, use your poinsettia stamps year-round. Why not? Let's do this one. Now this one I think we're going to put 2 poinsettias on. I'm going to try it. We'll see. This background was actually completed in December during one of my videos where I did my own stamp, my own poinsettia stamp. I wonder if I could put one in the corner. I don't think so. I think I like it just this way. And for those of you that are wondering, I'm using scorched timber. Let me finish up these last few off camera and I'll be back. I think we'll add some color to some of these. I think we'll use magenta, mulberry, and purple. Those 3 colors. We're going to start with magenta. Well, let's come in here with this darker. This is mulberry. Okay, so I've changed my mind. We're going to go pink, hot pink, and process red. Okay, I think that looks really good. I have 2 more that I'm going to do off camera, and when I come back I'll share all of them with you. I think we're going to add to a couple of these this neon red to the outer edges of these petals. There's a little orange in the background, and I think this will look actually really nice. Yeah, I like that. I think that looks nice. Okay, I'll finish this one up off camera and I'll be back. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you try out some of the techniques that I've shared with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I always love to hear from you. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.